Learn and Climb's Boom Science Kit for Kids is literally exploding with real scientific tools, powders, and other cool components to provide hours upon hours of learning fun. Including custom designed components like the reusable volcano, are built to last. Kids will learn all about mixtures, compounds, acids and bases, the powers of air and magnetism, plus learn about botany, UV light, and so much more. Just a few of the engaging experiments include watching a volcano erupt right before your eyes, making a helicopter fly, create your own ooey gooey slime, a glow-in-the-dark keychain. The list goes on and on. We top it all off with a beautifully illustrated and full-color 165-page instruction manual walking you step by step through every single experiment, plus a full-color DVD featuring a real scientist teaching your favorite little one how to perform each experiment, plus links to online videos are included in this incredible kit. Make sure to get yours now.